Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learning with Chip, the channel where we explore technology, computers, and now something exciting that we have spoken about before: artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, also called AI, is one of the most powerful tools in the world today. It can help you write stories, answer questions, solve problems, and even build new tools. And the amazing thing is, you don't have to be a computer programmer to start using it. Now, even students and young learners can use AI to learn faster, organize their work, and become more creative. And in today's lesson, we are going to take things one step further. Instead of just using AI, I'm going to show you how you can actually create your own small AI app using a very interesting tool called Lovable.AI. So let's jump into the classroom. Let's imagine something that happens to many students. You come home from school with homework from several different subjects. You might have maths homework, science homework, English homework, and maybe a project to finish. And sometimes it can feel difficult to remember everything that needs to be done on a particular day. This is where AI can become a very helpful assistant. AI can help you organize your homework, plan your week, break big tasks into smaller steps, and help you stay focused. So, to help you, I'm going to show you how you can actually create your own small AI app. We are going to use a very interesting tool called Lovable.AI. This platform allows you to create small apps simply by describing what you want. In other words, you tell the AI what the app should do, and the AI helps you build it. That means you can turn your ideas into tools that help you learn. So, in today's lesson, we're going to create something very useful. We're going to build a simple AI homework planner. This planner will help students keep track of homework, organize school subjects, see what needs to be completed each day, and stay organized throughout the week. Instead of writing everything on random pieces of paper, we can create a simple AI-powered planner, and I am going to show you how easy it is. First of all, ask one of your parents or your teachers to create a free account on the Lovable.AI platform. You can sign in with your Google account. Once you have signed in, Lovable will ask you to pick your style. Light or dark? Let's choose light. It will ask, "What's your name?" It will ask, "Which role fits you best?" I'm just going to say, consultant. It will ask, "How many people work at your company?" I am going to answer, solo. And finally, it will ask, "What's on your mind, Mark?" And then, you are ready to ask Lovable to start creating something together. So, in order to use Lovable, you need to give it questions, and these are called prompts. And to make it easy for you, I have created a PDF document with a prompt you can give Lovable. And you can find my document in this YouTube description. And once you have downloaded and opened my PDF prompt, all you have to do is to copy and paste the text from my PDF document into Lovable, and then click on the up arrow on the right-hand side and watch the magic happen. And within a few minutes, Lovable will tell you your Learning with Chip homework planner is ready. So let's show you how easy it is to edit the planner. At the bottom, where it says Ask Lovable, let's change the name to Mark's Homework Planner, and let's see what happens. And within a few minutes, it has changed the name. So once you are happy with the design, all you have to do is hit Publish at the top right-hand side of the screen. And again, within a few minutes, watch the magic happen as our app is ready to use. So let's start using our new app. We can add our subject, let's say Maths, and we need to learn the times table on 12th March 2026 for 30 minutes with Mr. Jackson. And once we're happy, let's add the task. And that's our task for Monday. And once we've created our task, we can then create a task for every day of the week. This means all your weekly homework is laid out in one place, making it easy to track what needs to be done and when. With everything clearly organized in a structured and readable system, you'll always know exactly where you stand and what to focus on next. And if we scroll down, we can add extra homework tasks we need to complete throughout the rest of the working week. So today we have learned 3 important things. First, AI can help students organize their homework and manage their time. Second, we can see that tools like Lovable.AI make it possible to build simple apps just by describing what we want. Third, when used properly, AI can help you become more organized and be more creative. Technology is becoming more powerful every day, and learning how to use these tools responsibly will be a very valuable skill for the future. To make it simpler, I have left a link in the description so you can open your Lovable account even easier. And don't forget to download our PDF prompt. And there is an added surprise, so you can not only make your own homework app, we have included 4 free prompts to have some fun with. Following on from our subject on Lovable, in our next video, my teacher, Professor Fish, shows you how to use ChatGPT and shows you how to make an amazing AI prompt builder. And I will leave a link in the description with our free ebook all about our easy prompt builder. If you liked learning with me today, please hit the like and subscribe button and share this with your school friends and family so they can work better too. Don't forget, learning is fun, but learning with Chip is even better. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye for now.